Hi, Rafiq, what is your daily routine like?
Hi, I am usually wake up at 7:30.
Oh, that's when I wake up to what do you next?
I brush my teeth and wash my face.
Before after that,
I breakfast at 7:30. I usually can some
I dress,
eggs. Etc.
I dress and leave for school at 13 a.m.
Wow, that's the same routine with as me. I am ready for school 7:40.
That school we have pretty similar routines.
Thank you. Nice to meet you.
Hi, Adra, what is your daily routine?
Hey there, well, I usually wake up 7 a.m. So it's 7 a.m.
Oh, that's when I wake up to what do you do next?
I brush my teeth and wash my face.
Before after that,
I have breakfast at 7:30 a.m. I usually have cereal.
I dress and leave for school at 13 a.m.
Oh, that's almost same as me. I'm ready for school by 7:45 a.m.
That school we have pretty similar routines.